Welcome to Engineer Freely. My name is Matt. Let's talk about flex fuel sensor mounting. If you're trying to mount a GM-style flex fuel sensor, you'll notice there's no great way to mount this as there's no mounting provisions on the actual sensor. So what do? What are your options? Others may do nothing at all. Some may be inclined to using zip ties or double-sided tape. But come on, aren't we all professionals here? There's 3D printed versions available on the market, including the 600 that I sold over time. However, I switched up my manufacturing methods to being machined from aluminum and then anodized black. And this is the best way to mount this GM flex fuel sensor by far. This is the all-new Engineer Freely Billet aluminum flex fuel sensor mount, part number EF-2001-AL. This is now CNC'd from 6061T6 aluminum and then anodized black. This flex fuel sensor mount fits all styles of Continental GM flex fuel sensors of this type, including AEM, Link, NTK, VDO, and more. Installation of the Engineer Freely flex fuel sensor mount is very easy. Choose a location to mount the aluminum base. There are two supplied M6 by 1.0 screws that can mount an existing thread hole in your car. Using only one screw to mount is generally okay, but the recommended method is to use both supplied screws and nuts to mount to the chassis. Now install the flex fuel sensor and latch. The flex fuel sensor aligns with the machine's slot like so. The aluminum latch goes over the sensor and then is screwed down with the supplied M4 screws. So there you have it. Now the flex fuel sensor is installed. The last thing to do is install your fuel lines like you normally would. So let's recap. The Engineer Freely flex fuel sensor mount allows you to take any GM Continental flex fuel sensor and attach it rigidly into the vehicle chassis. It is made from a high-strength 6061T6 aluminum, anodized black, and comes with all the necessary hardware you should require. The part number is EF-2001-AL and is available at engineerfreely.com.